Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. Honor is one of the few brands that has consistently lived up to its reputation. Honor has built up a reputation of delivering excellent performance-ready laptops at affordable prices. The MagicBook Pro is the 16.1-inch rich champion of Honor's laptop lineup at the moment. Honor offers a well-equipped multimedia laptop with the latest Ryzen processor. The MagicBook Pro is far from the most powerful device on the market. It's aimed mainly at those who need a solid device and can get work satisfaction. It can also keep up with significantly more expensive competitors in many areas. It is a versatile and powerful laptop, which can be used for office use. Its affordability makes it an attractive option for creative professionals on a tight budget. You can also do some casual gaming, compromising with the details. Overall, it's a well-balanced product for anyone looking for a cheap MacBook alternative. So let's dig in the details and find out whether MagicBook Pro is worth your money. Honor MagicBook Pro. The MagicBook Pro is a bang-for-buck champion in Honor's lineup of laptops at the moment. The MagicBook Pro is the world's first 16.1-inch full-screen, thin and light notebook. It comes with a borderless full-screen display, which provides smooth and stable performance. The MagicBook Pro is way thinner than many other laptops in its category. It's well built, has good all-round performance, and looks stylish. The MagicBook Pro is one of the most affordable laptops for creatives on the market right now. It is undoubtedly a great laptop that acts as an outstanding mobile workstation. You'll be surprised by the tasks that the laptop can handle being thrown on its way. Overall, using the MagicBook Pro is a great experience. Design. Most of the MagicBook laptops by Honor have followed almost the same designs. The material used is almost exclusively aluminum, which ensures a high-quality feel. The design is sleek, and the build quality is on par with Ultrabooks. It has a minimalistic design, with almost the same gray-dominant color scheme. Thanks to its matte finish, which makes it pretty much fingerprint resistant. The MagicBook Pro is still ultra-portable, weighs just 3.7 pounds, and at only 17 mm thick. This device is relatively thin, which makes for easy to carry in your laptop backpack. It comes out as not only a lightweight Ultrabook, but also quite sturdy and robust. The hinged quality is also very premium, and doesn't feel too loose. The MagicBook Pro is available with hardware from AMD and Intel/NVIDIA. The AMD offers more CPU performance, and the Intel/NVIDIA offers more graphics performance. When you open the laptop, it also gives the same feeling as Apple's MacBook. Display. The MagicBook Pro has a 16.1-inch Full HD IPS 16:9 display, with 1920 by 1080 resolution. The taller 16:10 displays have now replaced the 16:9 aspect ratio. The screen-to-body ratio is also pretty high, which results in very thin bezels. This low screen-to-body ratio really helps the 16.1-inch screen for more immersion. So the webcam is placed in one of the FN key rows, instead of on the top bezel. The larger working space also allows for better productivity. The matte finish ensures minimal glare and wide viewing angles. It has 300 nits of brightness and a contrast ratio of 1000 to 1, which offers impressive viewing quality. It gives perfect color reproduction, and decent color space coverage. The Honor MagicBook Pro features a 100% sRGB wide color gamut. There's also no touch support, something we've seen on many Honor laptops in the past. The 16:9 aspect ratio made it perfect for creating documents, video content, and streaming movies. Performance. The AMD-powered MagicBook Pro has a Ryzen 5 4600H processor. The AMD processor and Radeon graphics let you do heavy tasks, such as Photoshop and Lightroom. Thanks to its 7nm chipset design, the overall power efficiency is 2 times more efficient. That means better battery life, even when you are on the move. The MagicBook Pro comes with an ultra-fast 512 MB SSD storage drive. You can fire up the laptop with 16 GB of RAM and start working with multiple apps instantly. It has all the power you need to create anything from filmmaking to 3D rendering. Also, it powers through video editing or creative programs, and even let you play some AAA titles. The dual fan cooling system has always done its duty, even in the most agitated situations. It keeps temperatures on good value, without ever making the heat feel too much on the body. The built-in fans are practically inaudible in everyday operation. Finally, in terms of performance, it'll blaze through your regular day-to-day activities. It delivers much better performance than you would expect for a laptop at this price point. Keyboard. The MagicBook Pro features a full-size backlit keyboard and a hidden front camera. The keyboard is excellent and has a shorter travel time. Despite offering relatively little travel, the keyboard is comfortable to type on. Each key feels clicky, crisp, and responsive due to the flat design. You get a 2-stage backlight, which works well in dark conditions. The illuminated keyboard turns out to be suitable for everyday tasks. The MagicBook Pro is also super quiet, even when we push it to its limits. This laptop added a pair of front-facing speakers, in place of the regular number pad. The power button is located at the top right-hand, acts as a fingerprint scanner for additional security. The MagicBook Pro doesn't support Windows Hello. Touchpad. The touchpad is spacious, smooth to the touch, and extremely precise. They don't have dedicated buttons, instead, they are built in on the touchpad. This, of course, saves space, and gives you more room to work with. The touchpad supports multi-finger gestures, such as pinching 2 fingers together to zoom out. The trackpad is significant, and very responsive with Windows 10 gestures. The gestures are also precisely recognized, and implemented. Overall, both the touchpad and keyboard are excellent. Connectivity. There's still enough room for a decent port selection, despite a relatively slim build. On the left, we get a USB Type-C port, an HDMI port, a USB Type-A Gen 1 port, and the status LED. The right side of the laptop houses 2 USB Type-A Gen 1 ports, and the audio jack. The USB-C port allows you to charge your portable devices, smartphones, and even laptops. There's no SD card reader, or Thunderbolt 3 port. Battery. You will get a decent battery life on MagicBook Pro. The 56Wh battery offers around 7 hours on regular use. It gives you enough juice to last pretty much close to all-day battery life. But if you do intense graphics work, you're going to take a hit on the battery. As for charging, Honor packs in a super impressive 65 watts fast charger. It can get the battery back up to 50% within half an hour. That's really awesome. The laptop can also be charged using the included USB Type-C charger. Speakers. The MagicBook Pro uses upwards firing stereo speakers on either side of the keyboard. It comes with dual speakers, designed to produce a virtual three-dimensional premium sound. The speakers are plenty loud enough, and give a good depth of sound. You can hear every note, and immerse yourself in enhanced sound quality. You can enjoy listening to music, and watching movies. Webcam. We've seen MagicBooks adapt a different webcam design. Instead of having the webcam placed on the top bezel, it is fixed inside one of the FN keys. The quality of the 720p webcam is average at best, but that's not the real issue. Instead, the webcam placement is where we have a real problem. Your video call experience might not turn out to be very good. Your Zoom call attendees may end up seeing you from a less than ideal angle. You can also connect an external webcam for a smooth online experience. Operating system. The MagicBook Pro comes with 64-bit Windows 10 Home operating system. Pros. Cons. Conclusion. The MagicBook Pro offers an excellent price-performance ratio. This device is rapid and has good battery life. The main strengths are the excellent large screen and the good audio speakers. The screen-to-body ratio of 90% is also helpful for lovers of multimedia content. The MagicBook Pro is mainly intended for office work and college students. The built-in hardware offers more than adequate performance for office and internet applications. In addition, MagicBook Pro also allows you to play some AAA titles. It is very comfortable to carry in the bag, because it simply pulls less on the shoulders. If you find one available, we heartily recommend picking it up. The MagicBook Pro's base price, starting at $950. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Also hit that bell icon, so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. In my channel, you will get the detailed and latest laptop reviews. Plus the things to consider, to help you choose the best laptop for you. If you're curious about the current pricing and availability, you can check the description, and click on the Amazon link. If you use that Amazon link to make a purchase, we'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. This support keeps this channel alive, and helpful content coming your way. You can also find a more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Let me know your thoughts on this video in the comments below. Have a great one, and I will see you in the next video.